Hi, I'm Ting. In this video, I will be introducing an ongoing research project focusing on women in Taiwanese family firms. In recent years, women's leadership has been steadily rising in Taiwan. According to the Taiwan Women on Board Association, by the end of 2023, the number of listed companies with female chairpersons increased by about 16%, and those with female managers rose by around 18%. Women are more likely to reach top management role within family firms in Taiwan. A 2024 survey found that about 58% of female CEOs and chairs in Taiwan are members of the founding family. Similar trends have been noted in Western studies, where more women reach leadership roles in family firms than in non-family firms. This trend suggests that family firms might constitute a unique environment for women, which draw our attention to the intersection between women's leadership and family business. Family firms are not just ordinary business. A widely used framework to understand this is the Socio-Emotional Wealth Perspective, or SEW for short. SEW highlights how family firms often prioritize non-economic goals when making strategic decisions. Examples of such goals include preserving family legacy, identity issue, and emotional attachment. Although SEW has become a central framework in the literature, very few studies have approached SEW through a gender lens. Past research also relies heavily on firm-level data, using indicators like ownership percentage to study SEW indirectly. As a result, there has been growing concern for the risk of verifying SEW, that is, overlooking the beliefs, emotion, and action of people who actually bring SEW to life. Our study asks a simple but important question. How is socio-emotional wealth experienced by female top executives of family firms in Taiwan? In essence, this project centers on the experiential perspectives and sense-making process of individual. We also intend to engage in a more focused investigation that concerns three specific dimensions of SEW, which are identity, emotion, and social ties. In light of our focus, we chose interpretative phenomenological analysis as the research framework that guides our study. The study designs follow the typical IPA approach. That means we select participants purposefully with a target sample size of 3 to 6. We adopt relatively inclusive selection criteria. Qualified participants are women who hold management positions in family firms and are members of the controlling family. At present, the study is still in the recruitment phase. We will then invite each participant to take part in a one-to-one semi-structured interview, and given that both the participant and us are native Mandarin speakers, the interview will be conducted in Mandarin and transcribed verbatim. We will follow IPA's analytic guidelines, which features an iterative and dynamic process. Each interview will be analyzed on its own first, then across cases, moving from descriptive observation to deeper interpretations. The analysis will be carried out in Mandarin to stay close to participants' linguistic and cultural nuance. This means that translation of the finding to English will take place during the dissemination stage. The figures here give a visual summary of the data collection and analytic process, from the initial noting to the theme constructions, from the individual to the group, and it also specifies the language median at each stage. While this project is still in its early stage, we hope that by bringing the lived experience of Taiwanese women to the forefront, the study will recenter the human element in family business research and also broaden its horizon beyond the Anglo-American perspectives. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great time at the 10th WCQR.